It's your boy Manpaw here, back with this orange lawnmower. On my last video, y'all saw me driving it, but after the video stopped, it started having problems and it had quit on me. So I'm gonna check the tires, then I'm gonna check under the hood, make sure everything under there is good. So let's get to checking tires. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. And that one's good. Okay. Now let's see if in here's good. Gotta check the connections on the carburetor. Yeah, these clips are all good. Now to check the oil. Okay, let's see. I always have trouble with this. Yep, we're good. It's full. Dang, I always have trouble closing this. Oh, there we go. Oh. It's just a granddaddy spider. If y'all wondering, my brother is behind the camera filming me, and he does not like spiders. And I'm going to check the filter of the lawnmower, make sure it's not clogged up, and see if that was a problem. Okay. Also, if y'all wonder what kind of lawnmower this is, can you come over here? It's a Husqvarna. I can't really say the word real well, but that's the kind of lawnmower it is. And it's basically brand new, because it was purring like a kitten the last time I was riding it. And yeah, this filter's covered in a lot of dust or dirt or whatever this is. I'm guessing it's covered in dust.
I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
Okay, guys, my brother had to go inside because his knee got scratched up by one of the fenders of this lawnmower. And anyways, I'm going to put this filter back in and put this cover back on. And after hang on, having a little trouble. Okay, there we go. As soon as I get this back on, I'm gonna see if this thing will start, and then I'll make sure it stays running. Okay, hopefully this will start. I'm gonna wait for my brother to come back so he can film me starting this lawnmower and riding it. So I'll be right back. Okay, my brother's taking a little bit longer than I thought, so I thought I'd try to show y'all the voltage of this lawnmower. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it says 8344. But I really don't know how well y'all can see that in the sun. I can barely see it myself. So, put a comment saying if y'all see this or not. Let me know if y'all can, because I really don't know if y'all can or not. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. This lawnmower, I forget how old it is, but even though it's basically brand new, the cool thing about this is it's got cruise control. So, like, if I'm going slow on this lawnmower, I could pull this up, and then the lawnmower will stay in cruise, and I can keep my foot off the pedal, kind of like a car. And if I'm going fast, same deal. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, I'm now going to attempt starting this. And right now this thing is in park because the easiest way for this thing to start is while it's in park. Okay, that was weird. As you guys saw that, this thing runs perfectly. And y'all also saw me, I hope y'all saw me driving backwards without looking because I thought that was pretty cool. But, yep, like I said before, this thing purrs like a kitten. But I guess from now on, before, I didn't have to choke it at all. All I had to do was simply turn the key and that was it. But I guess from now on, I'm going to have to try to choke it. But I don't know if y'all were paying attention, but this lawnmower was kind of acting a little funny, like it was going to try to cut off. But it runs, like I said, brand new. Oh, also, if y'all want to know something, my brother that's filming behind the camera, go ahead and... No, just your face. Okay, my brother isn't really wearing a shirt, so he don't want to show y'all right now. He'll have a shirt on in a minute, but my brother has his own YouTube channel. Go check him out. His name is The Sands Bros. He's got a whole lot of cool stuff on there. A lot of funny stuff, too. One of his videos that I watched was hilarious. So, yeah, go check him out. Go like and subscribe to his channel and all that. Tell him that Mad Paw sent them over to his channel. Okay, guys. Reason why my brother don't want to show his face is because he's gonna have a surprise reveal when he gets to... Can you say how many subscribers for the viewers?
1 million!
You heard that, folks. 1 million subscribers, and he'll do a face reveal and a name reveal. So yeah, go check him out.